Christmas, everybody! Today we have my socks, and look at the decoration. Ta-da! It's so beautiful, right? And it's so sparkly. This is like a maze or something. Okay? Is it time to open the box? Okay. This is what I got out of the box. Is Mr. Incredible, and it's like a pillow, but it's a dog. It's like this. I will just put it here. Okay. I'm gonna open. What? I'm gonna get the next one. A Kinder Joy egg. Okay. This is for girls. See the pink? See? For girls. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Hey. This is a big one. Coach. Cool. This is a coach that's so big with a horse. And this coach is so cool. I'm gonna open it now because I like it. This is what I got for Christmas. Cool. Cool. It opens. Cool. Look, it opens and closes. Cool, right? I'll show you the horse now. This is the horse, and you see the hair is all colorful. Cool, right? It's pink, and it's a girl. I'll put these here. I'll check this like this. Okay, I'll put the plastic here. Okay, the next one. Okay. Okay, Shopkins. Shopkins season 2. Cool. I'm just gonna put it in the coach. And another season 2 Shopkins. And I will put it here. Then something. I don't know what's inside, but I think I will open it first. Okay? No more? How about let's open now this one? Okay. There. Ooh, cool. Just pops up. Wool, glasses, and Pinkie Pie's hat. That's and a dress. Just the skirt. This is what it looks with princess. Okay. Okay, it can wiggle a little bit, but it's okay. It's kind of cute though. It's for Rapunzel. Okay, here's Pinkie Pie with the hat. Pinkie Pie is so funny. Okay. And this is Twilight. I'm gonna try it here. Okay, I'll see if it fits or no. It doesn't fit. So let me get a Kinder Surprise egg and put it here. It doesn't fit still. How about like this? It fits. Cool. Kinder Surprise egg fits. How about when a pony just leaps in here? It will fit. A pony will fit. Cool. It can. Okay, here's the glasses. Oh, it fell down. The glasses fell down. Okay. Here's the glasses. See? Now, I'm just gonna put it here. Open season 2 Shopkins, not yet. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.